MonMon Sunny, come and play.
Happy childhood, happy growing. Learn the ABC Phonic Song.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time won't you sing with me? A is for apple, red and sweet. B is for ball, we kick with our feet. C is for cat, so soft and small. D is for duck that loves to call. E is for elephant, big and gray. F is for fish that swims away. G is for giraffe, so very tall. H is for hat we wear in fall. I is for ice cream, cold and fun. J is for jumping in the sun. K is for kite, flying high. L is for lion with a mighty cry. M is for moon that glows at night. N is for nest with birds in flight. O is for octopus under the sea. P is for panda climbing a tree. Q is for queen with a golden crown. R is for rainbow that comes down. S is for sun so warm and bright. T is for train chugging left and right. U is for umbrella on a rainy day. V is for violin starts to play. W is for whale big and blue. X is for swan, they're full with colors too. Y is for yo-yo spinning round. Z is for zebra with stripes all around. Now we've sung from A to Z. Learning letters is fun for me.
Hit like and subscribe to stay updated with our latest videos.